Hey family, it's your girl Lady D and I'm back with another quick mukbang. Today it is just snow crab legs and butter. That's all I got today. That's all I wanted. So that's all I'm having. Some leftover crab legs and some clarified butter with a little garlic pepper. Got my squeezed lemon on the side over here just in case. Because you know I don't usually use a lot of lemon, but I may want some just to taste. And got my coldest water bottle full of water on the side. So how's everyone doing today? I am doing well. Thank you so much for asking. Thank you so much for asking. See, I was trying to get back into this mukbang thing, trying to get back into the swing of things. Y'all know it's been a minute. You know the 19 had me down, but I'm trying to get myself back together. I have my good days and my bad days, so let's, all I can do is pray on it and try to make the best of a bad situation sometime. And I'm trying, y'all. Just pray for me. Keep me in your prayers and your thoughts. Like I've been telling you, I've been having little problems on my left side, but this too shall pass, and I'm going, I'm working on it. So, been had a lot of people down. A lot of people down. A lot of people have been through some stuff with this, but we try to press on. We try to press on. Come and go. Comes and goes. And good and bad days. Yes, y'all. These some nice legs too. There's some nice ones. Not too dark. Let's see. Is that any better? Got that ring light, never used it. Matter of fact, I never even plugged it up to make sure the light worked. I guess I need to do that, huh? I'm sitting in the room, I don't know about what, 3 months now? At least 2. But like I said, I've been on the up and down, so bear with me, give me some time, please. Get it together. I'm gonna get it together. I'm trying. Ooh. It's so good. Yes, I prefer these snow crabs over them king. What you think? I'm taking a poll. Leave in the comments which one you like better. You could think better. The snow crab or the king crab leg. One vote for snow with me. I'm not saying I dislike the king. Look at that big hunk of meat. How easy they come out and everything. Now, which one was I working with? Oh, it's this one. And everything, but The taste of the snow is just so much better. You know how to get into these snow. Some people don't know how to crack them where the meat come right out. Now, I'm not saying the meat come right out every time, because sometimes they can be cooked wrong or overcooked, and the meat give you a problem. It don't pull right out. But if they cook right, and you know how to crack them, then you on to something. Then you on to something. And that claw meat get some good meat. Yep. I dropped a piece of shell down in there. Ooh, I used to make them a lot of noise. It's good. Come on, baby, help me. Yeah, that coldest water bottle, one of the best things they came up with, y'all. Ooh, I love that, baby. I love that water bottle. And I know I got some catching up to do on a lot of videos, YouTube videos from my family. I do apologize, just trying to get my hustle on, if you know what I mean. And I am going to come back and love on you. Just give me a moment, please. I promise, I'm going to catch up. Catch up on my comments. And everything. But honestly, it is kind of hard when you're not feeling good. And then you work 12-hour shift. In my defense. And then you're trying to keep up and make sure you put something out yourself. Don't think I'm turning my back on nobody or none of that. Just kind of hard right now. But I will get with you. I will get caught up. I do appreciate all y'all, everybody, all the fam. My whole fam, my mukbang fam, my lottery fam. Everybody, I appreciate all y'all. Promise. Thank you so much for rocking with me this past year. I appreciate that. Or however long you've been with me. It's just been a year for me. A year and a couple days, actually. Man, it went by fast. And I appreciate everybody. Appreciate them 3 checks I done got since I've been here this past year. I really appreciate that one. Probably would have been 4. And I got sick and missed almost that month of video. What could I do? You can only do what you can do. But I do appreciate what I did get. And what I do have. So much I want to share and so many ideas that I have, you know, for things I want to do on the channel. It seems like so much easier said than done. Especially when you're feeling up and down. Yep. Back a little bit. I do have a seafood sauce I want to share with y'all. We'll do a taste test. But I want to taste test it while the person who created it made it is here with me. Well, they can see my face, my expression, my everything. Hope to get that done soon. know when they eat it, ooh, it be looking good. And they be eating it like it's really good, so I'm sure it is good. But I can't wait to try it. And it's my sister Larita that's living my blessed life. If you interested in ordering some of her sauce, check out. Check out her channel. I'm sure she'll tell you how to contact her. Sorry. I don't know how to leave no link below and all that. I'm sorry. I ain't got that quite figured out. I ain't got that good yet, y'all. I wish I did. I'm still trying to get sent money so I can order me a shirt and a couple things. But I ain't got that figured out either. I know I'm gonna have to probably talk to somebody in person so we can kind of go over, you know what I mean? What it is that I actually want. With everything I see other people with, looks so good, so dope. And I want one, or two, or three, maybe. A couple things. Everything I seen looks so good. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. I'm gonna step on out. Try to learn some new stuff on that iMovie, about the editing. Cause all I know so far is like two little buttons on there, and I think it's like split and remove or something. Them the only two I know. It might not even be remove. I know I think it's split. Or something like that. But I know it's got to be a way how you make the video come back in just real smooth instead of looking like it's been a piece chopped off and then you start it, you know. Which I mind believing when I'm trying to do it, but I guess I just have to sit down and I get some time and just mess with it and learn it. And get smooth at it like other people. I'm gonna say everybody else because I don't think everybody uses it, but I ain't gonna down myself, I guess. A year worth of unedited movies or unedited upload. With 5,000 viewers and 350,000 views. Can't be too bad. Because I know, I can honestly say out of all those videos, 300 some videos, what did I say? 5,000 subscribers, 300 some videos, and 350,000 viewers. If I didn't say that, that's what I meant. But out of those 350 videos, I know maybe only 20 of them have been edited. Or tried to be edited, touched and retouched in any kind of way. Honestly. Usually what I sit here and tape is what you did. Yes, it's nice to be able to cut out the bloopers and different things. Cut down your tape time. Sometimes you might tape for 50 minutes. You can chop it down to 20 minutes or whatever. Okay, I found that shell I lost. I found it. Since what's good is to take a 30-minute video. Nobody watched but 4 minutes, you know what I mean? Even though everybody might be watching a different 4 minutes, you know, watching. But still, you know. And then you got some people that leave in the comments, I watched the whole thing. Well, thank you. If you do, I appreciate that. You know, everybody appreciates that. I'm gonna watch their full video and watch all the ads. We appreciate that. So we got and I was noticing too some channels. I don't know how it works. But I'm gonna try to find out. The bigger channels don't have ads. So how do they get paid? It looks so dope to be able to watch a video and no ad has to be in there at all. You know what I mean? Now, I'm not knocking ads, man, or none of that. I appreciate it. I really do, but I'm just saying. You can watch some video, and not none of them they got ads. And these people got 7 million subscribers, 1 million. $800,000. And I know not everybody does everything to get paid, but I'm pretty sure they getting paid some type of way. Come on. Nope. Soft one. It's a soft one, y'all. Well, I was hoping to be through and not have this be so long, but I'm rolling. And I'm going to be left over again. So what I'm gonna do is finish them up off camera. So the next plate of snow crab you send me with, I'll be new and fresh. Believe that. But I do like to thank you for watching. Thank you for taking time out to listen to me. If you're still here, ooh, I appreciate you. Ooh, I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please thumbs up this video, like it. In other words, please share me out with your friends and your family. Let them know what's going on over here at Lady D's Delicious Dishes. Please leave me a nice comment down below. A nice comment down below. No, please, none of the ladies with the half shirts and all that. If you can help it, please, because that's not what this about over here. I'm just gonna delete it. But, and then block you from the channel. Because that's not what, I don't need to know that you need love and all that. That's not what, you know, pick. You got to pick, you know, wisely where you land. If you're not already a member of this family, please subscribe at this time. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Mark it all, not old. No, I mark it all, so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Until next time, next video. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, you're always welcome here at Lady D's, where you'll never leave here hungry. Bye-bye.